Hey, it's another great day in Coto de Caza. I'm on the 5th hole of our south golf course. All right, and here, this is our Pride of Madeira, Echium candicans, or Echium candicans. It's a member of the Boraginaceae family, so it's really just considered a borage. So it's a large, herbaceous, perennial subshrub. Grows about 5 to 8 feet high. Now it comes to us from the island of Madeira, which is a Portuguese island off the north coast of Africa. It's most notable for its wine, and is a favorite wine of George Washington. In fact, the founding fathers, they celebrated the signing of the Declaration of Independence by drinking this wine, and also George Washington's inauguration in 1789. All right, so let's take a closer look here at this plant. Okay, it's rapid growing, very resilient. In the first year, if you plant it down here, right, it'll send out rosettes of little silvery shiny leaves, but it won't bloom the first year. It'll bloom the second year, the third year, and so on. And there's a variegated variety of this. It's called the Star of Madeira, but this one here is the real Pride of Madeira. All right. So after it starts the second year, we'll get these woody stems, and they'll come up, form these flower stalks, and at the end, we have these beautiful pinnacle of purple flowers. Wow. Now usually you get one bloom a year, but in some locations you might actually get 2 blooms per year. Okay, so the flower head here, I'll take a look here. It's not as healthy one. Let's get a good one. All right, here we go. So the flower heads, just panicle or cluster of flowers, and they're mostly this purplish blue color, but sometimes they're white, and usually they have little red stamens on them. All right, as well. Okay. So it attracts a lot of butterflies and bees, other pollinators. So after the flowers die, okay, you'll get these little pink coral flowers coming out. You see that guy right there? They come out in late spring, and they'll cover this plant up. So for maintenance, kind of wait for these flower panicles or clusters to die. And then if you want to go into the pink flowers, that's okay. But you just go down here to the base and you kind of cut off the full stem. All right, some people like to deadhead this, but I think selective pruning is a little bit better way to go. Okay, remove all the dead heads, the dead flowers, and also any dead leaves or dead stems. So today, this is used throughout the world as an ornamental plant. It's super drought tolerant, deer resistant, but it does get damaged at temperatures down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a problem. In California, it's considered an invasive species. It has to be pulled out of a lot of natural settings and wildlife areas. And to propagate it, you propagate it by seeds. Okay, if you get seeds out of here. Also by cuttings. And there's something called aerial layering, where you can kind of shave off some of the bark. Right? And then you put a little bag, a little foil over it, and it'll start rerooting out of the stem. And you cut that off and you then plant it. That's called aerial layering. All right? How about that? It's our Pride of Madeira, Echium candicans. Okay. I hope you liked that video. Thanks. Bye.